Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
Football edit tutorial CapCut. So here I'll be showing you how to highlight a football in CapCut and how to make it how to edit it. So first thing we need to do is, for example, you have your raw clip right here. As you can see, this is the clip right here. Boom, soccer score. Then it's gonna do the soup. So there you go. So now when we're gonna edit this, first thing we need to do is um, catch the clip for first clip that you want to end it. So you want to edit right there, but here we're gonna end it right here. Wait, we can play that there. We're gonna end it right there. After we end it right there, yeah. And here we don't have to play all of this. We just need to play like the best part of this. We can do half of it, or like this one right here. So it won't be a long video. Get that part right there. There, then kick. Then now we're just gonna cut this part right here. Yeah, we're gonna cut that part. So cut the part of the transition of any video on a football. Yeah, cut the transition parts. There you go. Let's say kick, boom, jack, and then cut right there. Cut, then put transition right there. Okay, we're gonna go right here when he was running. Like that. To the clip, boop, pass it, boop. And we're gonna cut right there. So there you go. Now we're gonna add a little bit of a effect on the video. Don't forget to add any effects on the video. So we can choose here. We choose the glow right here. But the glow we will put it at the part where he is celebrating. We're gonna put it right there. So when you play it, look like this. There you go. So when he does the soup part, we're gonna make it a little bit dark. So kick, grab, then right here. Yeah, so you're gonna do that. So cut that part. So we cut that part. Once you play it, back. Now, as we are here, you're now gonna sew that part down. So I suggest doing the curve right here and customize your own curve right here. So I suggest sewing down the middle part right there when he's flying. I don't see what part where flies. And there you go. A little bit slow. Put in slow mo. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now here we're gonna add a little bit of a um I suggest putting in an audio for the what do you call this, for the video that aligns with the quick tip for you guys. Put in a audio that aligns for the clip of the video right there. You can, for this one, you can choose like upbeat upbeat, or maybe something like goes with the what do you call that, zombie song, da 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 no ne na da zombie. So you can put that. I forgot what it's called. Or you can just put some music that gives a little bit of a kick when it's about to hit the, what do you call this, the best part of the video. So I'm just gonna delete this part. So you can add much more parts right here, but right now I'm not gonna add those parts. Just it's too much waste of time. There you go. There, kick, poop, pap, then slow. Boom. There you go. You can zoom in if you want. The part where he's gonna kick it, and he went slow. Now to add the zoom in, best zoom in I can advise to you is using the call this video right here, basics, then transform. And I guess we can start right here. There you go. Just zoom in right there. Okay, so now we're gonna play it. There you go. Then, then you can add the, let's say, the clip when he scored. So to highlight the clip that he scored, we're gonna put it at the end. If you want, let's say that we could that, then there you go. Do that to make it much more noticeable. There you go. Then, bam. Now we can add a fade in to make it look much more good. There you go, fade in. There is no fade. This part right here. So, wait, I think I just faded the wrong part. There you go, it's gonna fade in this part right there. Yeah, there you go. You can do a quick fade in. Speed of the fade in. Quick fade in. And you can slow that part down. Then there you go. That's the clip right there. Now you can add much more. We're just gonna darken this part right here. So I suggest putting it a little bit, not that light, a little bit dark. Let's try and make it dark one right here. Okay, we can do the Halloween one. Let me see. Oh, it looks bad. No, we're not gonna do that. Need to make it that dark, but not that dark. The color, this one. Apply that. Oh, you can do that. So that looks good. There you go. Boop, kick, headshot, and jump. Boom. So there you go, guys. So there you go, guys. So yeah, that's how you do it. So and a quick tip for you guys. Usually when editing this kind of videos, I suggest use a audio with an upbeat sound that will go with the flow with the video. And another tip for you guys, I always do like effects and slow mos right here and a few cuttings. So that's all you need to do right there. So a few slow mos, cuttings, or maybe something like that. Or if you're like want to tell something like a story about the video, say you want to add like a story right there, you can add like a text right here. Yeah, add like a text right there. Say this text right here. Winner, or something like that. Something like that right there, as you can see. We're gonna put that there. There you go. Put shadows on it and stuff. So yeah, so I suggest doing that if you want to give it a description. But yeah, there you go, guys. I hope you guys give it. Please enjoyed. If you have any more questions, type it on the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.